What's up, YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. I just did a video on how to fix a Slinky where we took a lot of these knots out and we were unable to get the knot out at the end of this one because this one's pretty bad. And with a plastic Slinky, I just wanted to demonstrate how you can cut this off and have a brand new Slinky. So here's your plastic Slinky. If you want to do this with a metal Slinky, you can use a pair of more heavy-duty pliers or snippers. But as you can see, there's a knot that has gotten in this Slinky again. So this one's easy to take out. You see right there, the thread crossed over. Just take it right here, pinch it, and pull. And now it's gone. And now you have a new Slinky. No knots. See you next time.